254 million views, 144 million views, and countless more pulling in millions. That's exactly what's happening on a YouTube channel called Rico Animations. With over 13 million subscribers, this creator has grown an enormous audience by focusing on one simple style of stickman animation. Even more interesting, dozens of smaller channels are following the same format and generating thousands of dollars every month from it. So let's skip the long introduction and jump straight into the complete process of making these videos yourself without spending any money. The first thing you need to do is open Google and search for Stickman animation figure. Browse through the available designs and download the character that best matches the style you want for your videos. After saving your character, open ChatGPT and paste in the first prompt. You can even customize it by adding your own creative or humorous ideas to make the topics feel more original. Press enter, and ChatGPT will instantly generate 20 engaging video ideas for you. Go through the list and choose the concept you like the most. Next, open the second prompt provided in the description. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Enter your preferred video length, then insert your chosen topic before submitting it. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will create a complete script based on your selected duration, including narration plus detailed image prompts and animation prompts for every individual scene. Now copy the image prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Upload the Stickman character you downloaded earlier. Once it's uploaded, click on the character image, press the three-dot menu, and choose Add to Prompt. Before generating, make sure your preferred image settings are selected. Paste the prompt into the box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first scene image will be ready. For the remaining scenes, keep using the same character by selecting the uploaded image again and choosing Add to Prompt each time. This helps maintain a consistent appearance throughout the entire animation. Copy the next image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and continue repeating the process until every scene image has been created. By the way, if this tutorial is helping you so far, a quick subscribe would mean a lot and keeps more free AI tutorials coming. To demonstrate the workflow, I've generated only 3 scenes here. Once your images are complete, it's time to animate them. Open your first image and click Animate. Select OmniFlash as the video model and set the duration to 8 seconds. Copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into the prompt box, and generate the video. Your first animated clip will be ready shortly. Repeat the exact same steps for every remaining image until all of your scenes have been transformed into animated video clips. After every clip has finished generating, download them all and return to ChatGPT. Paste in the final prompt and press enter. ChatGPT will now rewrite your entire narration into one clean, natural paragraph that's ready for voice generation. Copy the finished script and open your favorite text-to-speech software. I'm using ElevenLabs, and I'll leave its link in the description below. Choose a voice that fits your Stickman character, paste the script, and click Generate. Your complete voiceover will be ready within seconds. Next, import all of your animated clips into your preferred video editor, together with the generated voiceover. Arrange every scene in the correct order from start to finish, then place the narration on the timeline, and synchronize it carefully with each animation. Once everything flows naturally, export the final project, and your AI Stickman animation video is ready to upload to YouTube. Now let's take a look at the final result together.
Conflict happens to everyone. Emotionally intelligent people don't rush to argue. They pause, stay calm, and choose understanding over winning. Instead of interrupting, they listen carefully. They focus on the other person's words, feelings, and perspective before responding. Before speaking, they take a deep breath. Staying calm helps them think clearly,
And that's the entire process from start to finish. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials every week.